Alright, hey, how's everybody doing? I hope you're doing well. This is just a quick review of the 5 different laws that we have been discussing over sections 2.2 and 2.3. So I just wanted to make a quick video to just kind of remind you if you want to watch it before you take the quiz or before you take the test. Those are both great options. Okay, so we're going to label these 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, I'm going to do all the work right here and then I'm going to erase it. Okay, so number 1, bases are the same. Okay, so that's the first thing we add. Okay, so if that's the case, when we have something like x to the 12th times x to the 5th, that's a 5. Okay. We're going to get x to the 12 plus 5, which is x to the 17th. Okay, 12 plus 5 is 17. Okay. Now, doing a mixed one where it's got several different things going on. Okay, we'll just do that. Remember, we do the numbers first. 2 times 4 is 8. Then we have x to the 3rd and x to the 1st, so we get x to the 4th. Okay. So same base, add the exponents. Okay. Hopefully that is good. Okay. Number 2. This time you'll notice that the exponents are the same. You notice what we do, we multiply the bases. Okay, so if I just want to take something like x to the 3rd times m to the 3rd, okay, we are going to take the x times m to the power of 3, so we get xm to the power of 3. We need the parentheses because it's x times m. Okay. So we take the 2 bases, we multiply them together, and then we have the exponent that's common between the 2 on the outside. Right? So that's number 2. Number 3 is now division. This time, bases are the same, we subtract. Okay. So, a pretty basic one right here, m to the 7th divided by m to the 4th. Okay. Bases are the same, so the answer is going to have an m. Do 7 minus 4, m to the 3rd. Okay. Do another one, this time with numbers in front. 14p to the 3rd divided by 2p. Okay. Remember, we do the numbers first. 14 divided by 2 is 7. P to the 3rd divided by p to the 1st is p to the 2nd. Okay. I'll do one more. N to the 6th divided by n to the 9th. N to the 6 minus 9, which is n to the negative 3. But remember, we can't have a negative exponent, so that's when we change it into a fraction. Okay, that's number 3. Number 4. Exponents are now the same. We divide the bases. So if I have x to the 6th divided by m to the 6th, that would be x divided by m to the 6th. Or I could write it as x over m to the power of 6. Okay. If you have something like this, 2m to the fourth divided by 2n to the fourth. Treat the numbers just like normal. 2 divided by 2 is 1. m4 divided by n4 is going to be m divided by n to the power 4, or m over n to the fourth. Okay, notice I don't write the number 1. 2 divided by 2, I don't write the number 1. I don't need it. Okay. Last one. Step number 5. Okay, this one says that if I have exponents on the outside, or an exponent in and an exponent out, I can multiply them together. So x to the fourth to the fifth is going to be x to the 4 times 5, which is x to the 20. Okay. All right, if we have something like this, 2x to the third. This one's kind of a trick question. You're not really using the rule, but you're doing 2x times 2x times 2x. So 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. X times x times x is x to the third. So there's your answer for that one. All right, so this was just a quick review. If you want to, you can watch it, pause it, whatever. Work out the problems yourself before I do. Otherwise, happy quiz taking Thursday and Friday. See ya.